Good afternoon. Today is 25th January 2024. I have come to my native place. These three coconut trees, by age wise, it is around 90 years. This is our native place where I was born, the traditional place. This well, our grandfather used to take water from this well and put it in this small place. This we call as a toti, and there is a place for washing clothes. Very old traditional village home. This place is called Udayalur. See the structure, how the engineering marvel. Straight line. I can able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stages it crosses and I have come to the end of the house this year. Straight line. We can able to see the house on the other side. It's such a great place. This Udayalur is located near Padayarai. It is famous for Chola's first capital. After that only they moved to Tanjore. In the previous video I have covered about that Chola Rajaraja Solan king. Padayarai is their capital. It is about 1.5 kilometers from that place. See this well. From well some plant has grown out of that gate also. Varai maram, coconut tree, natural. This kind of natural we will be able to get only in villages. In any part of the village, almost in India, everywhere we can able to see these places like this. This structure is a modernized way of maintaining the house. Earlier it was only that the gap you can see this wood, we call it as wood. We had one hand pump here, then subsequently it was closed. People must see places like this and enjoy the nature, how the village houses are designed with the natural light. See, it is a natural light through sunlight, how bright it is. One must enjoy the ambience.